unboxers, we have this card pack and this. They say this comes with 40 and each of these are 10. And I already have 14 cards, so I think we are be able to play the real game of Bakugan cards and Bakugan. And we are gonna unbox it. Daddy, and see this, Hydrus. This is a Hydrus, and see my other Hydrus. I have this Hydrus. So these are the two Hydruses Daddy got. And remember this one from our last newest video where we put this video on YouTube. And we are gonna unbox these.
You want to give a shout out to who helped you with this?
Nona and Mommy and Daddy and Papa. Those are the ones. Daddy and Mommy told Nona and Papa to buy this. And these are on my good.
Okay, here you go.
And we got this box ready. It really does come with a huge pack. Oh, a flip card.
Some new Bakugan.
Let's see. 1, 2, 600 plus, 2,500 plus, 400 plus, 600 plus. Look, almost every one of these come with 600 plus, 105 plus B power. Wow, these are amazing. Whoa. This is amazing. We got a two-headed guy.
Nice.
And look at these cards. These 3 cards are cool. And look at my other ones. And this came with a whole entire deck. First one that came with 1 pack and entire deck. Hope you enjoy these cards. And we are be able to get a whole deck because we got this other one that comes with 10 packs each. And I'm
So
still
just so you know,
pulling.
the cards that you just opened, okay,
Are what?
and these cards that I'm about to open, this would create one full pack. So with these 3 Bakugans and this card and those other cards that you have,
It will not make a deck.
this makes a deck. This makes a full, complete deck that all works together. So
these 3 and those?
yes, so I would take all these and find the Bakugans to make them match. I'm going to get this eventually. And
This is
you
cool.
take these 3.
And I don't really know how to put this together.
Well, we can read the instructions.
Okay, let's see what are the other ones.
But these cards and these 3 will go together.
Hey, it still has the blue Hydrus thing.
Yeah, you know how to put that one, but try to put the other ones together.
Let's see.
So check out
2
your new
flips,
cards.
3 flip, 4 flip, 5 flips, and action, I think. Action.
Okay. So you ready to do this one?
3 cards in this. There's only like 3 monsters.
But your monsters are here. Those are probably evils. Are you ready?
I don't get. Ooh.
We will work on it. Are you ready to open this?
Hey, a trainer card.
Have fun, buddy.
These are amazing cards. And we got this other box to open. And let's see this box out. So cool. This, I don't know how to open. How do I put this together? 600. How do you put this together?
We'll work on it. You want to work on it now?
Yep.
All right, here's some new Baku cores.
Cool. 1 and 2. Let's see if this is.
Make sure you keep these together.
I'll do some of them.
Here's your new card decks.
And let's rip these out. Can you open this, please?
Uh-huh. But let me give you this.
Look at this huge card! This is a huge Bakugan card. These are amazing cards! And we are gonna open up these packs. I am so happy with my stuff. And it even comes with a Bakugan card thing, something. Cool.
Make sure you don't mix those up with the others.
Flip, action. Is this a gear card?
You can see it's an Evo card.
It's an Evo card. How can you read the Evo?
It's right there.
Flip, flip. So cool. And you got this final card thing. So cool! This is amazing.
All right, so let's see
How
on this one. This one seems kind of easy. So you flip this, put the head in, and you just go down. There
Oh,
you go.
and how do you do this one?
This one, legs in, heads down, wings in, close.
Cool.
And we know how to do this
Yeah, I know
crazy
how to
one.
do Hydras.
So difficult.
Yeah, Hydras is so difficult. Let's see if it has the head stopping thing that always
It
shoots
does,
out.
I can see it. This one is
So
always so difficult.
Cool. 14, 24, 34, and
There you go.
44.
Nice.
Cool. So all of these must go together.
Oh, this one's nice.
What?
Sparkly.
Cool. So cool. I got 2 whole decks. And
Okay,
that
talk
is
about
the
your stuff.
end of the cards, and these Bakugans are crazy cool. But my favorite is this guy. My favorite is this white guy. I really can't choose what's my favorite Bakugan, but I'm sure to like all of them. So cool. That even jumps. So cool. And that is the end of our video. And bye with the Turbo Slashers, and hope you subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss a single video of the Turbo Slashers of Beyblade with Bakugan. And bye!